This is a Miwa NDL magnetic lock. To take this out so you can see it turn. So you turn the key 180 and then it'll pick up the cam, and then the cam prevents it from turning more than 360 rotation, so it's locked in the fully clockwise position now. Now it's in the counterclockwise position, so I'm going to attempt to pick it there so I'll be picking it clockwise. There's a ramp on the key. There's a plunger in the back that I believe has to be pushed in. Keyway pushes in just slightly, but I believe you have to do that in order for it to open. That's my thought process anyway. That's what I'm going to attempt. There's 4 magnets in here. This is the tensioner that I made. It's just a bent wiper insert. It's been filed down on the end to fit up in the notch on the keyway. I've got 2 magnets. There's actually 3. Got a 1/2 inch by 1 millimeter magnet. I guess it's 1/2 inch by 2. With 2 more on top of it, just for a little extra oomph, because this keyway is so open, it allows me to do that. So there's 1. I think that's 2. Sounded like 1 might have fallen. 1's still good. Maybe that was just 2 setting that I heard. 3 and 4 are loose. I'm gonna push that plunger. Keyway rotated, or the core rotated a little bit more. Still locked though. I think 3 and 4 are good. All right, I think those are good. I don't know. Let me check 1. 1 is opposite polarity of 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, one's good. Maybe it's two. Two isn't clicking as much as the rest of them. Yeah, it's still two. Now three, maybe. There we go. Turn this speaker off. I'm going to have to pull this out so you can see it. You can't really tell by the keyway. You kind of see the notch in there. It's rotated to, I don't know, the 1 or 2 o'clock position. Stick this in here and continue to turn. Once it gets 180, it will pick up the cam. And now it's locked in the clockwise position. I'll turn it back counterclockwise. Not really sure how to gut this. This screw just takes this cam off. And this cap looks like it is locked in there pretty well. I'm not going to risk damaging it, trying to slide it off. So I'm not going to gut this. There is only the 4 magnets in there. As you can see with this magnetic viewing film, there are the 4 magnets, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Alright, so that is the Miwa NDL. Not sure what model number NDL it is, but it is a version of the Miwa NDL.